Hey guys, glad to see you again. Hope you're charged for the day, so let's see what we got prepared for you. First on the menu, a pyramid style workout. You have 6 exercises, different body parts. You start with 1 repetition of each, then do 2 repetitions of each, 3 repetitions, build it up all the way to 10 and then back down to 1. You are free to choose comfortable for you pace, do as many breaks as you want, but try to make it as quick as possible and you have to fit it in 12 minutes. Jumping lunges will be our first exercise. Left and right counts as 1 repetition guys, so please count properly. Now pay attention to the form. Front thigh is parallel to the floor, back knee is touching or almost touching the floor. If you're not familiar with this move, I would recommend to start with normal lunges. Means that you will perform the same move, but you will swap your legs doing a step without skipping. Shoulder circle flies. You will need your DIY piece of equipment. Please adjust the weight and get it prepared before the session. Straight arms, draw big circles in front of you. Try to make moves nice and controlled. Exhale every time you feel the tension. Towel rows. Another DIY piece of equipment is needed. Try to keep your body straight and drive your elbows down with a nice strong exhale. Also, you can change the level of resistance by simply changing the incline. You can step closer or further from the wall. You can change the length of the towel that you're holding. In this case, stepping away from the wall makes it easier. Bunny hops. I think the demonstration is quite descriptive. The only thing, guys, try to go as deep as you can. Jump with both feet at the same time and land softly on the front part of your feet. If this move causes any kind of discomfort in your joint, the very first thing that you can do is try to play around with the form and change the depth of the squat. Tricep dips. You can use a bed, a chair, any elevated surface to perform this move. You can manage the resistance by bringing your feet closer or further. Closer feet makes it easier. Knees to elbows. Make a nice strong exhale every time you bring up your knees and inhale every time you extend. If this looks too challenging, here's some alternatives. Alternate knee to alternate elbow, or just simply tap your knee with your hand. Now let's put it all together. We start with jumping lunges. Left, right counts as 1. Shoulder fly circles. Remember guys, first round is just 1 rep, second round 2 reps, etc, etc. So first 2, 3, maybe 4 rounds is still sort of a warm-up. Don't try to go hard. Just use these rounds to find your comfortable pace, adjust your breathing. Normally the fun part starts after 5th or 6th round. Here I start the second round, 2 reps of each exercise. I think the idea is pretty clear by now, so no need to show the whole workout. The last thing I would like to mention about is if you guys need less than 12 minutes to complete the whole workout, it's great. But in a case if you need more than 12 minutes, try to come back to this workout after you finish the whole course. I think you'll be pretty surprised.